Hello children, welcome to our channel. Grade 7 and 8 math classes by Brahmini. So let us do one more example where the ratio of sides are given and the perimeter is given. We have to find the sides. The question is the ratio of the measures of the sides of a triangle is 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 72 inches. Now we have to find out the sides. We know that perimeter of any figure is equal to sum of all sides. But here the sides are not given. The ratio of the sides is 3:4:5. So let us take those sides as 3x, 4x and 5x. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 72. As the sum of sides is perimeter. And in a triangle there are three sides. So the sides are, the ratio is given as 3:4:5. We have to convert that ratio into number by multiplying that with x. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 72. Upon adding that, we will get it as 12x. So 12x is equal to 72. X is equal to 72 divided by 12. Therefore, the value of x is 6. So our question is not completed. What we have to do? We have to find out the value of the sides 3x, 4x and 5x. The value of x is equal to 6. So 3 into 6, 4 into 6, 5 into 6. 3 into 6 is 18, 4 into 6 is 24 and 5 into 6 is 30. So therefore the sides are 18 inches, 24 inches and 30 inches. Now let us consider an example where perimeter of the triangle is given and its sides are not fixed. They did not give you the exact measure. So let us find how to do that. So here the perimeter of the triangle is given as 50 centimeters and the three sides of the triangle are 3x, x plus 5 and 2x plus 3. So we have to find the value of x. Perimeter is being given for us and the three sides are given as variables. So we have to find out the value of x. We know that perimeter of any figure is sum of all the sides. So as triangle is having three sides and the three sides are x plus 5, 2x plus 3 and 3x. So upon adding that we get x plus 5 plus 2x plus 3 plus 3x are the three sides. Sum of those sides is equal to perimeter 50. And we can see there in the first x, for the first side there is x, second side 2x and third side 3x. So x, 2x and 3x can be added as they are having variable with them, x, 2x and 3x. Upon adding that, and they are variable parts as you have learnt in algebra last year. If there is a variable, we call them as variable part. 5 and 3 are the numbers. So what we have to do is we have to add the variables separately and the numbers separately. So x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 6x and 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So 6x plus 8 is equal to 50. This is the expression which we got upon adding all the three sides of the triangle. 6x plus 8 is equal to 50. So we have to find out the value of 8. So we have to shift 8 to the other side. So if 8 gets shifted to the other side, it becomes 6x is equal to 50 minus 8. So this is balancing equation. 6x is equal to 50 minus 8. So 6x is equal to 42. 6x means 6 into x is equal to 42. So here we have to divide both the terms by 6. if we divide 6x by 6, we will get x, and 42 by 6, we will get 7. 6x divided by 6 is equal to 42 divided by 6, which is equal to x is equal to 7. So we have to put the value of x is equal to 7 in the three sides. What is the first side? X plus 5. So the value of x is 7. So 7 plus 5. We have to write it as 7 plus 5, which is 12. So let us find 2x plus 3. 2 into 7 plus 3. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 plus 3, 17 centimeters is the first side. And the next side is x plus 5. 7 plus 5, which is equal to 12 centimeters. And the third side is 3x. 3 into 7, 21 centimeters. So the three sides are 17, 12 and 21. So children, thank you for watching.